Jetta too.
Yeah. Dang, it looks like today's the day. I know. Alright, so come over here. Today we're tackling all of this grime. Yep.
I just sprayed on some debris. Some water on it to, like, you know.
So this is just water and degreaser?
Get everything going.
Yeah. Dang. That's ridiculous. Oh my god. You can see it on the video. Clean discoloration, but it's good, man. Perfectly clean. See, this is what it should originally looks like. Not even, but and this is clean, horse clean.
Damn, dude, that's crazy.
This is insane. What the fuck? This is insane. Let's see, fuck it.
Promo video. Hashtag ad. Hashtag sponsored.
Hey, chemical guys, we need our sponsor. We spend money in your store. Lots. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. The Supreme sticker's gonna go right here.
Low key. I might have an extra one.
Really?
Not here though.
Alright. Wait. This is hours of detailing Civic.
Holy
Oh my
shit.
god.
I can't even see through it, man.
Wow. Oh, the bottom of the bucket. Yeah, you can see all that grime. That was all in my car. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, that was in the car. Alright, we're gonna have to rinse all the tools again. Alright.
Holy shit.
Good job, first.